Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change mention font on Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, I'm going to tapping on this plus icon and selecting story. I'm tapping on create, and to mention I'm gonna tapping on this sticker icon and mention, and I'm selecting here. So here you can see I have successfully added a mention here, and to change the mention font all you have to do is just tap on mention, and as you can see here's only changing the font color, not font style. So to change mention font style you need to mention manually. So for that, tap on A and now tap on mention and enter here the name whom you want to mention and select the account, and here you'll find font style, so you can select any of them and tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.